Hi, I'm Luiza, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful flower decoration out of empty toilet paper rolls. It's really beginner friendly and quite a fun activity to make, so I hope you give it a go. Of course, if you have any questions, please leave them in a comment down below and I'll try my best to answer them. Of course, if you don't want to use empty toilet paper rolls, you can use any kind of thicker paper or cardboard, but I just want to upcycle these rolls that usually are thrown away. And since we all have empty toilet paper rolls in our house, it's very easy not to throw them away and just make a craft. And this way, it's actually a free activity to make. If you enjoy these kind of videos, I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. If you enjoy this kind of crafts with empty toilet paper rolls, you should check out my playlist where I have a lot of tutorials for creations out of empty toilet paper rolls. I have different kinds of flowers, leaves, and even animals. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!